అభినందిస్తూ మా పాఠశాల 2024-25 విద్యా సంవత్సరంలో సాధించిన అభివృద్ధిని మీ ముందుంచుటకు వస్తున్నారు మా విద్యార్థులు.
Good evening to one and all. Esteemed President of the day, Reverend Sister Jyoti Garu, General Councillor of Catechist Sisters of Senators, parents, teachers, well-wishers and my dear friends. A warm welcome to everyone who are taking part in St. Alphonsus High School Annual Day celebrations. We are here to present the school report of academic year 2024 and 25. Hi Worship Bro, do you know what gathering is going here for the celebrations?
Hey Karen sister, can you believe it's been 20 years since our school introduced English medium?
Wow, time flies. I have heard so many great things about our school's journey.
Yeah, let's take a walk down the memory lane. St. Alphonsus High School is a Catholic minority institution established and managed by the Catechist Sisters of St. Anne. Our school started in the year 1965, beginning with Telugu medium, by sisters who overcame challenges to provide education for the poor and marginalized in rural areas. Do you know how English medium was started?
Yeah, as the globalization and importance of English was spreading all over the world with the guidance and support of Reverend Sister Dr. Innamma Mekala Garu, we took a significant leap forward in the year 2004 by introducing English medium. Existing are facilities that have been upgraded and expanded over the years. With the help of Mother General Reverend Mother Regina Singareddy, approved the proposal and sanctioned English medium school in the year 2004-5. We are proud to say that St. Alphonsus High School is the first English medium school in Raghunathpally Mandal. Reverend Sister Dr. Innamma Mekala Garu has took lot of struggles to establish this school. On that day onwards, she is with us in all our times. We thank you, sister, with hearts full of gratitude and with bubbling spirit.
Do you know what is the aim of our school is?
Yeah, let me share it with you. The aim of education is knowledge, not of facts but of values. The aim of our school is to give the best education and to work on the all-round development of the students. I want to share the motto of our school, which is love, joy and service. Do you have any idea about our first headmistress?
Yeah, Reverend Sister Fatima K and correspondent sister Reverend Sister Thomas Garu, who worked during the period 2004-2005.
Oh yeah, she was the one who started English medium school in the year 2004. Then what about Reverend Sister Sundari's time? I have heard that she was a very great headmistress.
Yeah, headmistress Reverend Sister Sundari Garu and correspondent sister Roberta and Reverend Sister Thomas during her tenure from 2005 to 2015. In her era, school first and second floor building was constructed, computer lab, opportunity education which is related to foreign education was introduced. Sister bought 2 buses for transport facility for the children, library with fantastic books, computer lab were also introduced in her period of time. During Sister Sundari's time, 5 batches of SSC were passed out with 100% result and every time we got Mandal topper. Do you have any idea about our third headmistress, Reverend Sister K. Arogya Mary Garu?
Yeah, headmistress Reverend Sister K. Arogya Mary Garu and correspondent Reverend Sister Thomas Garu and Reverend Sister Surekha Garu. They were really amazing and dedicated sisters. They have implemented many great changes to our school. To make children happy and to make the learning easy, Sister introduced TV sets for the kindergarten children, constructed basketball court to encourage the children in games. Cabins for the teachers for their leisure hours were also constructed.
Do you have any idea about our current principal?
Yeah. Our current principal, Reverend Sister T. Maria Sujata Garu and correspondent Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu has implemented many great changes to our school, introduced cabins for the teachers for their leisure hours, constructed basketball court, renovation and painting of the basketball court was also took presence under her supervision. In her presence, 30 new computers were added to the computer lab. English Labs e-library with also really enhanced a learning experience. All these developments are done to take this institution greatest heights by the guidance and support of Reverend Sister Dr. Innamma Mekala Garu and Reverend Sister Mother General Japamala Garu and Reverend Sister Margaret Mary Garu. It's clear that Reverend Sister Sundari Garu and Reverend Sister Arogya Mary Garu, Reverend Sister Sundari Garu has taken our school to the next level. We are so lucky to have them as our principals.
Definitely, as Aristotle once said, we are what we do repeatedly. Excellence, then not an act, but a habit. Reverend Sister Sundari Garu truly instilled a habit of excellence in our school.
Well, now everybody comes to know about the journey of our school. Now, let me discuss about the present year. Now, Christina will take us to the highlights of infrastructure.